Good afternoon guys, hope you're doing great today. I just thought I'd start off with a video today showing you some of the few bridges that head along towards the nature reserve. First of all, this bridge, it's probably one of the oldest bridges in the area, and as you can see, it's alongside it here, the slabs here. This bridge used to be a little road going over the river, and on the field up there used to be a big dumping heap of, like, for the rubbish and everything, so people used to drive their cars over here and take the rubbish over there. And thankfully now that stopped many years ago, and now it's just lovely fields and woodlands. And as you can see, this part of the river also, where Kent starts to go around the bend there, this part of the river has been man-made. Many years ago it was a lot less wider and more straighter, but they've curved it around. They've kind of made it like a man-made river now, and a lot more straight and like curved. And also this willow tree here, you get a lot of cormorants and the herons and the egrets and crows and all sorts, like in the sunbathe on here in the summer. And especially cormorants, when they've been in the river, they'll dry their feathers out by stretching their wings out, and they can sit there for a couple of hours at a time doing this. And all these big willow trees along here, these were planted many years ago, maybe 30-40 years ago. So you can imagine how different now the look would look without no willow trees here. And it provides good coverage and support for wildlife and nature and all this stuff like that, for like nesting and hideouts and stuff. Up here straight ahead, I see two of my friends, the two crows here. I chucked them some seed on the way down here before this video. They're happily enjoying that. We're just about to approach the second bridge here, guys. Not too far. But when we do get to the bridge, I'll show you where there was a massive. When we do get to the bridge, I'll show you where there was a massive log tree branch had snapped and just lodged itself in between the riverbank and the water, so it got stuck there, and all the rubbish was clogging in all the debris. But the council managed to chop it up, come in, chop it up, take it away, and that got sorted about 5-6 years ago, I'd say, maybe 7 years ago. And here we go, guys. Here's the second bridge. Now this bridge is where some of the ducks usually wait in the springtime when they've got the ducklings. Even in the winter time, because I know I walk over this bridge to come and feed them, they've learned to stay to wait here for us sometimes. But there's no ducks here today, because obviously they'll all be at the reserve, because the river is a bit higher again. But there you go, guys, there's the river. And they'll usually just wait in the corner down here under this elder tree, and to see us looking straight over, which is pretty awesome. And I love this willow tree, the shape of it as well, how it just bends into the river. Nice curvature. Okay, guys, let's head to the reserve and see some of the wildlife. Now these two willow trees, one on each side of the river here. There's a lovely archway in the spring and summer when they've got all the foliage on, because all the leaves are just hanging over the water, and it looks lovely when the sun's shining on it. It looks so nice. And there's the entrance to the actual reserve where this fence line is. As you can see, there's a massive piece of willow tree snapped off there, and it's just lying at the entrance of the reserve. Here's one of the other signs, guys. Now, I wonder if them two ducks will be waiting for us on this corner like they were yesterday. What do you think, guys? I have a good feeling they will be. It's another pretty windy, wet day today, so I'm just not surprised to be extra hungry. Hello, Mr. and Mrs. Wood Pigeon. Sorry. And there you go, guys. Here's one of the drakes. Hello. And as you can see in the background, just behind this tree here, where the river's rapidly going past, that's when it overflows into the reed bed. Like I said yesterday, it comes all the way down here, and there's two more of my friends here. Hello, guys. I won't be long enough, you just. Now that's, and over here, also here, this is one of two oak trees. Now these oak trees are probably maybe 20, 25, maybe 30 years old. Because this one here was quite small when I first started coming, so it's had about 16 years of growth since I've been here, so which suggests it's not too old. But as you can see, the pond today is just covered. The path, sorry, just covered in water. It's even worse than last time, guys. And as you can see, the ducks are at the bottom there, coming over slowly. You can see us. Here they come. But yeah, guys, since I can't also go through the water today, hopefully in the next, if it's not tomorrow, or in the next few days, I'm going to have to show you the moorhens, guys, because I really want to have a chat about them as well, because they're interesting little birds. And I also definitely have to show you them all the way around the reserve and the sculpture and the island too. But guys, that's going to be me today. I'm going to feed these ducks. I hope you enjoyed the videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Bye.